Hi everyone, it's me, Spring, the fiber enthusiast, and welcome to the channel. Today's tutorial is going to be a stitch tutorial, and it is in knitting. The knitted stitch tutorial pattern we are doing today is the double moss stitch. So if you want to grab your favorite size yarn and needles to match and cast on in your favorite way of casting on in multiples of 2. We're going to carry on this already made swatch for the tutorial. So here it is. It is a reversible pattern, this right here. I have some to start the row that is just a garter stitch and some stockinette up here just to kind of break up away from the pattern itself. But it is completely reversible. It looks the same on both sides. So this is worked over 4 rows. The first 2 rows are the same, and the second set is the same. So rows 1 and 2 are the same. Rows 3 and 4 are the same. So let's go ahead and get started. Row 1, you will knit 1, purl 1 to the end of the row. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Once you've reached the end of the row, your last stitch should be a purl stitch. You're going to turn your work over and repeat. Knit 1, purl 1, all the way to the end of the row. You should notice that your first stitch looks like a knit stitch, and the second one has a purl bump. Let's zoom in so you can see that a little better. So we ended the last row with a purl, but a purl is just a reverse knit. So when we turn our work over, we're going to be knitting into that first stitch and purling into the second stitch. So we're following what the row was before. Knit 1, purl 1. Again, knit, purl, knit, and purl. And we're going to do this to the end of the row. Now for row 3. Row 3 is purl 1, knit 1. So it's the opposite of what we've already done. We're going to purl to start the row and knit the next one and purl 1 and knit 1. So it's the opposite of the first 2 rows. And your last stitch should be a knit. Turn your work over for row 4, and we will begin. Your first stitch is a purl stitch, and then knit. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. And you're going to continue that to the end of the row. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, and knit 1. So your last stitch is a knitted stitch. So that is your 4-row repeat. Here's what it looks like. And the back side. These make great hot pads, coasters, all kinds of stuff like that because of the slight elevation in the fabric in various areas. That helps keep the heat from being directly flat on the counter. But if you do that, I do recommend using something as in a cotton, or at least 80 to 90% cotton, to ensure that you do not melt your fabric or burn the surface of the table that you place it on. It would also be great for washcloths, back scrubbies, lots of different things with these really nice textures and a very simple repeating stitch. So in short, rows 1 and 2 are knit 1, purl 1. Rows 3 and 4 are purl 1, knit 1. All right, everyone. I hope that you've enjoyed the tutorial and you find a use for this stitch in a future project. Be blessed, be a blessing, and until next time, bye for now.